5 Smart Workout Tips for Beginners. Hi. Welcome to Life as Good channel. Please share the videos and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Please check the website link at the description of the reference articles. We requested our fitness experts to put together a compact list of do's and don'ts for every beginner to follow. So for those of you who have taken that healthy decision to get off the couch and start exercising, we say, bravo. You have taken the first step towards a healthier mind, body and spirit. A number of questions, doubts will creep into your head. How long should I work out? Do I need to work out every day? So we have put together this basic list to set you on the right track. Just apply these basic do's and don'ts in your workout regimen, and enjoy a great beginning to this new way of life. 1. Easy does it. Most experts say that for beginners, it's good to start with 2/3 days per week, and for at least 30 minutes per session. You can then gradually crank it up from there. Don't start with a tough daily regimen, easy does it. Start with 30 minutes of cardio 2/3 times a week and strength training once a week. Continue this for 2 to 3 months until this regimen becomes an integral part of your daily routine. 2. Warm up and stretch. Always warm up first. Take your body through basic movements that will loosen and stretch your muscles. This will ensure that your body performs at an optimum level, and more important, you avoid injury issues. 3. Don't follow the same set of exercises. This is a common mistake made by many beginners. Do not stick to the same set of exercises every day. Mix it up. Alternate between the 3 main types of exercise: aerobic, anaerobic and flexibility. Aerobic exercise is exercise which requires the use of oxygen to fuel the body for exercise demands. This form of exercise is traditionally thought of as cardiovascular exercise, such as running on a treadmill or cycling. Anaerobic exercise is a form of exercise that requires glucose for short intense workloads. Strength training and sprinting are forms of anaerobic exercise. 4. Weight training. The great thing about basic bodyweight training for beginners is that you can, as a beginner, train from anywhere, even from home. You can even start working out at home with just a basic exercise band. There are excellent YouTube videos with basic exercise band workouts. All you have to do is choose and follow one of the better rated videos. Dumbbells are another great way of starting basic weight training. Compared to barbells, dumbbells look far less intimidating for beginners. Dumbbells also have an added stabilization challenge, and point out muscle imbalances pretty easily. For those who wish to start weight training with a little more intensity, barbells is certainly the way forward. If your goal is strength above all else, this is the option that we recommend. Barbells allow you to progress clearly and quickly, allowing you to add small increments of weight each week. 5. Give your body adequate recovery time. Take a break, periodically. No pain, no gain. So if you find your body hurting during the initial stages after you start working out, well, that's a good sign, you are on the right track. But don't make the mistake of pushing yourself to the limit and not giving your body adequate time to heal and recover. Also avoid taking painkillers, as they only mask the pain. The best way forward is to let your body recover naturally. If you do not give your body time to heal and repair itself, your performance will go down and you will get into a vicious cycle where you never fully recover. And if you are sore after a workout, that's good, unless it hurts too much. Do not run to take a painkiller, because that can mask pain and cause you to do real damage to your body. Let yourself recover naturally. Common mistakes in powerlifting. Every powerlifter belongs to a particular division. The basis for this classification is based on the lifter's level of experience, body weight, and age. Other subdivisions are geared and raw powerlifters. This shows whether the lifter is making use of a supportive gear or not during the competition. Powerlifting competitions take the most part of the day. The competitors usually begin with the squat, progress to the bench press, and finally end with a deadlift. Competitors are given only 3 chances for each lift, making it a total of 9 lifts per day. Mistakes cannot be ruled out in powerlifting, especially if you are a beginner. You might find it difficult to avoid some mistakes that are common with powerlifting. However, mistakes are part of the learning process, and also it makes you a better powerlifter, because as you advance in powerlifting, you will be able to avoid these mistakes. Even powerlifters that have broken world records at some point in their career made mistakes. The most important thing is to learn from it, and this helps to sharpen your skills. As you read further, you will see some of the common mistakes made by powerlifters. Here are some of the common mistakes individuals make in powerlifting. Number 1 mistake: biting more than you can chew. Powerlifting requires a lot of strength, energy, balanced diet, and sleep. Beginners are mostly fond of attempting to carry lift that is not meant for them. This is particularly common for a lift that is not categorized within their age group and weight. As a beginner, you don't force things to happen. With dedication and training, you would eventually progress to carrying more weights. The consequences of carrying weight that is not meant for your division is having your muscles tear apart, or breaking your wrist. This can keep you out for a complete competitive period. If you are a victim of such circumstance, give your body time to heal before you start training again. This could be a little frustrating, but don't allow it get into your head. Now you know your limits. Number 2 mistake: stick to your style. Oftentimes powerlifters tend to change their altitude in a heartbeat. Mostly this could be as a result of inferiority complex, that is, seeing other lifters whom you think are better than you are carrying loads in a particular way. Then, you attempt to choose their style. This can cost you a lot. Stick to your style no matter what the pressure is. Number 3 mistake: prioritize your activities. Always remember you are a mere mortal and not a superhuman. Preparing for lifting sessions without having your priority list may put you in grave danger. You have no idea at which session you could pick up an injury. Showing off in front of your friends is not beneficial, and it really does not matter if you participate or not for your future career. Final verdict: the key to being a successful powerlifter is by training hard and smart, being consistent, and getting expert advice from successful people in this regard is the key. Also, you need to sacrifice a lot of stuff, such as keeping your social activities at the back burner. Definitely, you will overcome these mistakes as you make progress. Happy lifting! Thank you for watching the video. Please share and subscribe for more informative videos.